Hi everyone, welcome to my very first video. Let's jump straight into it. So we have a sketch which I drew in my cute sketchbook and we need to turn into a vector. So it's quite easy in Illustrator. You're going to the window, pressing image trace, then you can play with the scales how you like, and then you're pressing trace. It's already created for you a vector image. It's black and white as you can see. Then you can play with all the scales to reach the point how you like your sketch will look like. Okay, yeah, I think it's a little bit too much, so most probably this way. Yeah, it's not perfect for me. And then you're pressing just expand. After that, as you can see, it's black and white. Then we need to select only, and we need to remove all the white colors to keep it like a transparent background. Okay, so we press into the white colors, any section, then you select same, and then you're going to the full color. So in this case, it's selecting all the white colors. You're pressing delete, and now you have only black color on your illustration. Okay, so you're deleting everything what you don't like. You scale it how you like this image, right? You're arranging on the middle of the paper. Super. I think it's look quite clean and fancy. Now you have very great vector image. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, more simple tutorials coming soon.